My name is Professor Akwasi Antwi-Kusi. I'm the chairman of the 11th Biennial Conference of the College of Health Sciences, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, College of Health Sciences has been organizing this conference since 2008. This is the 11th of our conferences. And what is peculiar about this year's conference is that we are collaborating with GWAC, and we are bringing together over 50 international participants. We have over 300 cutting-edge research work. There's also going to be 13 practical pre-conference workshops. The date is 10th to 12th of September 2025, and the venue is the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology School of Business. Now, whether you are a researcher, you're a policymaker, you're a student or an educator, this is an opportunity for you to learn, to share, and to shape the healthcare in Ghana. I invite all of you to come in September as we bridge the gaps. Thank you and see you.